So what's up, everyone? Another tutorial here. Right, so what we're looking to do is to test this new app that I found. Now, I know there's loads that are currently available for Windows or on the Windows platform, but not so much so for the Apple platform. So it's this app here that I got called Loopback Audio, and I've been testing it out. It's actually pretty cool. So as you can see, I've got this set up. This is picking up my audio interface or my digital desk, DL32S from Mackie. It's also picking up, or we're going to be picking up Windows. And then it basically runs through this pass-through, or it passes through this loopback software. It gets sent out of channels 1 and 2. And I've turned on this. You can hide or show your monitors, so I'm showing my monitors so I can see the monitor feed. Actually, there we go. Yeah, so this is still the demo version, but one of the things I'm looking to do is to play audio from my DAW. So what you do is you open up your DAW. He says confidently. Does anyone else's Mac do this, where you've already got an application open, then you click on it and it just doesn't open it up? I'm mostly a Windows user, but you know, my laptop is easy to move around, so this is why I do videos from my MacBook Pro. But I'm not really a massive Apple fan. But anyway, yeah, going back to this Loopback. This is not a paid product placement or promotion. Loopback aren't giving me anything for this. But I sort of stumbled across it whilst looking for another piece of software that's meant to do a similar thing. And I watched a video on it, and it's really straightforward to set up. Like, literally, just hit the plus sign, you get whatever you want from your sources. Yeah. Obviously, I've already set that up. And obviously, I'm a Reason user, and all this wiring and cabling is stuff I'm used to seeing within Reason. And for yeah, so everything runs through this this pass through. And then it goes to your channels 1 and 2, out to your monitor and out to wherever you want it to go. In this case, we want to get some audio from Reason, and we want to play that. Stopped working. Don't worry, it'll work again. So you go into your DAW and you select Loopback Audio. And once that's done, your DAW will now be sending the audio from it into this Loopback software. And then from the Loopback software, it'll go out to your stream, obviously in OBS. What I've done here is I have set up I've muted this because it picks up the mic twice. But I've set it up in such a way that it'll pick up the Mackie. Obviously, this is just for the actual screen, but it'll pick up the Mackie. And also for audio, I've just named the Loopback. Actually, let's go into it. So Loopback Audio, I named it Reason. It's not really Reason, but you set up an audio device, audio input capture. Obviously, that's where I called it Reason. You hit OK, and then you get a drop-down menu. If you choose Loopback, all the audio coming into OBS will be coming from Loopback. So if Reason is connected to Loopback, and then you say, yeah, bring in everything Loopback is playing, If you play anything in Reason or in your DAW, it'll play through to your OBS, to your broadcast, or to your live stream. Obviously, Loopback costs, I'll say in sound engineer terms, it costs a fortune, even though it doesn't really. It costs about $100. But to a sound engineer, that's a lot of money. So, obviously, I don't want to set Loopback up twice. And then I go and set it up twice. There we go. So, anyway, it's very easy. I mean, I've seen some other versions, and you have to run through quite a lot of stuff to get it to actually work. So this one's pretty straightforward, which is what I like about it. But obviously, it comes with that bill. Let's just open up a project. Let's take something off let's take this project. It's something that I've been working on this weekend, so we'll go with that. We don't need to see any of that. So straight away you can hear the audio, and you can see it playing there in Loopback. So when I speak, obviously I'm coming through the mixer because that's where my mic is connected. It's not a USB mic, it's actually a physical dynamic mic. Reason's playing, sending its audio in. This is just a monitor, don't worry too much about it. But I want to see it, that's why it's up there. Obviously you see Reason there. All these are mistakes, by the way. Don't worry about it, it's just me messing around, adding new stuff. So yeah, this is a project I'm currently working on. I'm still in the process of mixing it. But yeah, you get an idea of how this loopback works. If anyone knows of any other software that does the same thing, that doesn't carry a price tag or works which is cheaper, let me know. As mentioned, there are other ways of doing this. If you use VSTs, you can do so through other bits of free software online. But obviously Reason doesn't allow for VSTs till version 11, so it's not an option I have. But with these other ones, they're quite, I don't want to say complex, they're pretty straightforward to set up if you know what you're doing. But in my opinion, it's just too much faffing around. Whereas with Loopback, it's pretty plug and play, and it works out the box. Let's turn this fan on. So yeah, this, as I said, is a project I've been working on. Done a bit of EQ on it. What else have I done? So I EQ'd the tracks. Applied a bit of compression. Let's go into the rack and see what I've done. First of all, I had to play all the instruments one by one. So yeah, mostly for me is essential on any track I do. Gotta have a click track to start off with, keeps everything in check. Particularly if you have to play all the instruments yourself. That's all I'm able to do. Now the problem with this free version is after a while, this loopback starts to hiss and a message pops up saying it's hissing because you haven't bought the full version, which I think is a very intrusive way of doing things if you want people to buy. Don't just sort of bring up this loud hissing sound and then say, oh yeah, enter your card details here and we'll take the hiss away. Everyone's trying to make money out there. So that's pretty much where I'm at with this track. The purpose isn't really to go through this track. The purpose of the video is just to talk about this Loopback app to see if anybody knows the Mac-based versions of software that allows to do the same thing. $3,000 to get this US bucks. Yes, I'm not based in the States, so it work out fairly cheap. But yeah, I want something free. And I mean legitimately free. I don't mean like a cracked version of something else. I mean something that it's probably banana or something. Those different software you can get Windows wise that do the exact same thing. They're free. The manufacturers, whoever's made this software just makes it free. Just download it. You can always see the back. Back after has to be out. So I'm going to stop that there. It's a very short track. But yeah, I think this is quite a cool app. I like its simplicity. Just for its simplicity alone, I'm half tempted to buy it for $119. Hopefully it comes with a few more nice features. But yeah, these two I added by just clicking on new virtual device, but I didn't really need to. There we go, trial mode. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys have been using, what experiences you've had. And if you do use Loopback, let me know if it's worth paying the $119. Yeah, I'm just going to end that